Oh, just drop your pleasantries. I know that. Look, spill it.
I was at the barangay hall this
Yes,
morning.
to apply for the second batch of the
So of
Ayuda.
course, yes, of course. And Tessie was there, claiming her.
That wench. How did she qualify for the first one and we did not?
Oh yes, well, I saw her flirting with her chairman in his
dear,
office.
that is a grave accusation.
Well, bloody disgusting,
on.
right? Yes, you know what, I saw them through the window. She was sitting on her lap and caressing her face like this, my God.
Really?
Oh yes, I saw it. I couldn't bear the sight of it, so I left in a
Well, I
hurry.
suppose having a sugar daddy isn't only a thing for the younger generation anymore. Oh, here she comes.
Oh my God. Afternoon, Tessie. How are you?
Tessie,
Oh my God.
I see that you went for a little shopping.